This is how Comcast works with customers. Hello. Before giving you the keys to your new car, I need to demonstrate why the XC60 is the safest mobile app.
Gefunden!
In case of an accident, the XC60 can stop itself. Introducing the 2010 Volvo XC60 with city safety.
Want bigger, more beautiful potted plants? Miracle Grow makes it easy with moisture control potting mix. Watch. The soil is so amazing, it actually stores water. Only releasing it when plants need it, taking the guesswork out of watering. Plus, there's Miracle Grow plant food mix right in that feeds for 3 months. So plants grow twice as big. Easy and amazing. Want it big? Want it beautiful? Make it Miracle Grow.
They're out there, Michael. Who's out there? The hackers, the viruses. But don't worry. As a Comcast high-speed internet customer, you can download the McAfee Security Suite. It gives you protection against identity theft, viruses, and more.
I didn't know that.
Now you know.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, man.
Get the McAfee Security Suite for no additional charge. That's a $120 value. Go to Comcast.net/security.